How to make account in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, the process of registration in Quotex is very easy and simple. So go ahead and open up the app. And once you're here, click on the registration option at the top of the screen. And now you will be able to enter your email, then your password, and you can also choose a currency. Now, as you might know, there's lots of currencies such as the euro, the GBP, the USD, the Indian rupees, the Russian ruble, the Egyptian pound, the Nigerian naira, and stuff like that. Choose whatever currency you want, and then you need to confirm that you are 18 years old or older and accept the service agreement after reading them. Once you do that, click on register and your account will be opened. So that was it for this video. That's how you can register in Quotex. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.